How to sell Brainrots on Eldorado.gg. Now in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can completely sell any offer that you have on Eldorado.gg. So first is use up any available web browser that you can use on your end and then go into Eldorado.gg's official website. In here, once you create an account, make sure that the email address that you use is one of listed here, maybe Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, AOL, or Proton Mail, as these email addresses is affiliated with Eldorado.gg. Once you successfully used up or registered your account, you also need to verify it using any identification available on your end as long as it has an ID number. Now once you've fully verified your account, what you want to do next on creating an offer is to hit on the sell button, and then you will have two options there: to create offer using a standard way or import offers from CSV file. These includes the picture of what specific brain rot you're listing, and then you also need to be specific when it comes to description of the brain rot that you're selling. Now, most cases, unless you want to provide your buyers with additional information about your product. The next is the volume and the actual price or the offer on what you're selling. In fee section, you will see the fees that Eldorado will take from each purchase. And then finally, tick the checkbox that you agree to Eldorado terms of service and place or click place offer. And that's it. That's how you sell brain rots on Eldorado.gg.